expected. Expect wind damage to trees. Locations impacted include Rockingham, Waitsboro, Hamlet, Hoffman, Ellard, Dobbins Heights, Lylesville, Morven, Diggs, and East Rockingham. The storm is producing large hail that will cover the ground. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Henson, and Richmond. The National Weather Service